For such type of examples, that is for never ending examples, you can stop the solution after doing 2 to 3 iterations, or when you are getting a smaller value like this, that is here we are got a 0.0 value, so here we are getting smaller value, so after this stage you can stop. Or another thing is, here we have done 3 iterations, balancing, so here done a 3 times balancing, so after 2 to 3 iterations you can stop the solution. But remember, for such type of example we have to stop after balancing stage only. Okay, next we'll go for drawing a bending moment diagram. So for bending moment diagram, so first of all I have drawn a baseline, I have shown the joints A, B, C, D. Next I have drawn just a curves. Okay, in this, here we have got a minus answer, that's why I have shown here anti-clockwise. Here I have got a plus value, that is clockwise movement. It is a minus value, so I have here drawn a anti-clockwise movement. Likewise, next just observe the curves. Here the arrows are below a particular baseline, that is it is showing hogging type of bending moment. So A, B and C support, there exists a hogging type of bending moment, that's why I written H. Okay, so at support A, B, C there will exist a hogging type of bending moment, and at support D, as the arrow is above the baseline, at D there will exist a sagging type of bending moment. Now first of all, draw a free BMD. So for UDL you are getting a parabolic shape. The maximum value you can calculate by formula, that is WL square upon 8. Here you can calculate this value by WAB upon L. So now just we are drawn a here a first of all free BMD. Next we are going to overlap on that a support BMD. So we have overlapped a support BMD, so you are getting this bending moment diagram. Here at the end I have shown the sign convention to draw bending moment diagram. For free BMD, positive part is to be drawn on upper side, and for support BMD, negative part is to be drawn on upper side.